Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Kathi Lee, Crafting with Kathi Lee. I just want to take a quick look. You may be seeing this video after this collab. This is just a look through some of the materials I used for a collab for Vals Crafts Creations. And it is using her digital releases that she provided for us. There are 15 of us who participated, and we will be all sharing a project. So you may have already seen some of these because this video itself might be shown after my flip through video. So I just wanted to take a look and show you some of the stuff I used for this project. Val has beautiful digital images, and the kit I was given to do is called Purple Dried Flowers, and you can see some of the images here. And I've already cut into a bunch of the ephemera and stuff, but I did want to show you some of the stuff included. First thing I want to show you are some of the images printed on paper with a smooth front. Can you see the vibrancy in these images? Can you see how bright the flowers are? Now these are a smooth finish paper. I think this is a matte photo paper, maybe from HP, but it's fairly thin, still flexible enough for junk journaling. Now look at this side. This is the smooth side that I printed on. I like to print my digital images for junk journals double-sided so that if I fold the paper, there's still a side. So see how vibrant the image is here? Let me flip it to the other side. Still a good print, but more muted. Can you see the difference? So that's the difference between printing on smooth paper and matte paper. So this is the smooth finish. Again, look at how vibrant that is. Aren't these images gorgeous? Get it open. These ones I didn't print back and front, but look at how bright and beautiful those images are. I may be using these on some of everything. So these I will probably fussy cut or maybe put on tags. So again, these ones were printed on the matte photo paper. See how beautiful that is? These images, by the way, were so pretty. And when I got this kit to use, my favorite color is purple, so it's perfect. Now again, look at the difference in those backgrounds between the smooth finish paper and the rough finish paper. There is a huge difference, if you can see that. So again, these ones were printed with, there's that smooth side. There's the matte side. The matte side, this rough side, is more muted, not quite as vibrant. Still good, and I use both sides in my project, which you will see once you view that. So again, I did do these on the back, but like I said, I like to have the back side just in case there's going to be a fold or a flip. There's a piece I already cut into. So those were some of the raw full sheet pieces that I used. And then in addition, she had so much fun stuff. Now, these were a checklist, fun bingo cards. There was a little folded envelope thingy bobber, pockets, envelopes, another envelope, lots of fun stuff, photo mats, bingo cards, postcards, checklists. Now one thing you can see is I printed full-size sheets fit to paper for 8 by 10, and then I also printed 5 by 7 photo size. So that's the difference. This was a full-size sheet print. This is that same image when I put 2 pictures to a page. There's tickets, postage stamps, which are one of my favorite things to use. Some nice circles. Now I just fussy cut my tags and such. A lot of people would go ahead and put these, that one I already matted. A lot of people would go ahead and put these in their cutting machine, which I could do, but I actually like to fussy cut. So I fussy cut all of these. But can you see how much fun they are? There's belly bands. There's great big photo mounts. There's those beautiful images. Just a ton of stuff. Now I have all these out right now because I'm going to start working on some fill-in pieces for the folio that I hadn't done yet. But I just wanted to show you, and I printed more than one copy, okay? Because I like to have a lot to work with. So this is more than one copy of the images, and I did them in more than one size. So that is from Vals Crafts Creations. She is on Facebook, and I think, yeah, at Vals Crafts Creations. You can look her up on YouTube, or you can find her on Facebook, and there should be a link in the description of the video. So if you haven't already watched the collab, it is a starting date of January 28th. There's 15 people, 15 different projects. There are prizes. So if you haven't already looked at that, take a look. And if you haven't already watched my flip through video, come back and watch that. Again, this is Crafting with Kathi Lee. I am Kathi Lee. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And, excuse me, and like the video. Come back. Tell your friends, all that fine stuff. Talk to you later. Bye.